Hello, I'm Dr. Christian Bisanga. I'm the head of the hair restoration department at ECAMS. ECAMS is the European College of Aesthetic and Medicine and Surgery. So we are here in Cremona doing our course with doctors from different backgrounds. The reason we're doing this course is we want to forge a community of doctors that are practicing hair transplant in an ethical way. So here at the course, we're focusing on showing why you should not transplant this type of disease, why it's important to recognize the type of disease. With the leadership of PIN, we really foster and make sure that doctors will come to learn hair transplant, hair restoration, regenerative medicine.
We pass through science firstly, talking about how to regenerate the scalp, how to regenerate the hair, differences between inflammatory alopecias and cicatricial alopecia, and talking about which is the best product for a certain kind of pathology, and enter into detail in all the items and the toys that we can play with nowadays for fat. And then we left one section to allogenics. Nowadays, especially exosomes or hybrosomes are getting the interest of everyone. There are some question marks about their utility, but now slowly we know that some of them are very useful for hair loss in special conditions. We talk about microneedling, we talk about how to vehicle products into the scalp, microneedling, radiofrequency, lasers in order to channel, and how to prepare the scalp for all the regenerative procedures.
It was very, very interesting, very captivating, and then the theory here in person and the practice in the cadaver lab as well was very impressive. And for something that was completely new to me, actually gave me a very kind of good feeling of how I were to go about doing a procedure by myself.
Starting with the theory that we did online, that was very useful preparing you for the actual hands-on class. So it was more of a revision when we did the theory before going into the lab.
So comparing to the congresses I have attended here, in this course there are more time to ask your questions, to make comments, and to take the experience from the well-experienced practitioners in one-to-one basis.
Part 2, we played with around 15 different systems for fat harvesting, fat grafting, preparation of nano fat graft of different dimensions from 800, 400, 280 micron filtration. We jumped then into the use of the PRP with different machines and different solutions. We boosted our PRP with temperature, lights, friction, microfiltration, many innovative systems and kits. We ended up with the injection of allogenic exosomes, how to prepare the allogenic ones, how to prepare the scalp, and how to apply the scalp, and how to let them penetrate into the right layers.
I think I gained a lot of knowledge when it comes to regenerative treatment, FUE treatment for the hair loss, as well as Dr. Bisanga gave us a different perspective. The FUT hair plans that usually is frowned upon nowadays, but it has a special group of patients that could be much more beneficial as compared to the FUE.
It was a intensive course for the 2 days, and it was about the regeneration of the PRP, skin and implantation. It's starting from the base and going to the step by step and tell everything about that, and it was so helpful to me for getting more experience and more information.
Before, I had intensive online course which gave me a lot of information and prepared me to perform on the patients different techniques.
The second day also the wonderful. It's about regenerative medicine. I learned a lot of new things about products and it's good to be here.
And because of ECAMS, I expanded the portfolio of my procedures, and I will be expanding it also in the future.
So please join us and contact ECAMS if you need to perfect your craft in hair restoration, in regenerative medicine, in everything that is hair loss related.
This is best course I attended.
I really enjoyed the dermatological aspect and the CPR and all the basic and fundamental in medicine.
So come with us, learn with us, share with us your experience and our experiences, mix all together. Wait for you there.